Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what happened on Euro NZD and how I lost about $280 on this particular trade. All right, so let me break it down for you guys. So you can see that right now we had a really beautiful drop base rally, and you can see that this drop base rally broke structure to the upside right here. Then also apart from that, we had equal lows which were left behind, which is really important. And after that, you can see that the market came and actually took out these lows and it also took out the Asian session. And if you've been following us for a long time, you would realize that this is actually an A plus setup for us, because we'd be waiting for the Asian session to be taken out. After that, we just wait for the market to come into our POI, right? So you can see that if you check on let's check on the 5 minutes time frame. So you can see that on the 5 minutes time frame, we had our entry right here. Yeah, just here we had our entry from here after having this rejection from here, right here. The market rejected and then just wait the bit in our direction, and the market dropped and we were taken out, and I lost about $280 on this particular trade. It was really really good setup, a setup that I would take any day, right? Because it made all my confluences that I always look for in the market. So for example, let's go to the 2-hour time frame. You're going to realize that this market has been to the upside. You can see that the overall trend is to the upside. That is really important to understand, and you want to trade in the direction of the market. It's really important. So that was there. We had the break of structure right there, and then we had a nice imbalance just left behind this candle right here. So it met all our criteria, so it was a good loss, right? So it's always important for you to take good losses. And what defines a good loss? A loss that has actually met all your criteria but still ended up being a loser. That's a good loss, right? And for a bad loss, you want to avoid and eliminate those ones, because those are the ones that actually drown your account, because you take unnecessary losses where you didn't even predefine the trade, you didn't analyze the trade in advance, you didn't wait for your confluences, you just jumped in because you didn't want to get left behind. So trades like these are really A plus setups, but they just don't work for me. All right, so that's normal and that's part of trading. So you have to identify when those opportunities come around so that you're able to take advantage of them. So this is how it is. So I just thought I would actually share this video with you guys to show you that actually this is actually normal, this happens, and don't even panic. Alright, so beautiful drop base rally, break of structure, liquidity being taken out, Asian session being taken out right here, which acts as liquidity as well. Market comes to my area, moves a bit in my direction, however this didn't go in our direction. So this was a potential 1 to 12 risk reward ratio, 9 pips stop loss, and 125 pips target. So this was a loss, and I hope you get something from this video. So I was going to share it with you guys so that you can get something. All right, so make sure you actually subscribe, like the video if you are enjoying this type of content, and let me know in the comment section if this ever happens to you where you take a really nice setup but it turns out to be a loss. All right, so you guys